Muslim leaders renew demand for cow as national animal.
गाय से मजहब हिंदू का जुड़ा हुआ है, तुम उसको नेशनल जानवर बनाओ.
Demand linked to communal harmony and social peace. A demand raised repeatedly by various Muslim clerics and religious organizations has sparked a national debate once again. Prominent Muslim leaders, including Maulana Arshad Madani, have asked the centre to declare the cow as India's national animal. Supporters present an unusual argument. They believe that granting the cow national animal status could help address ongoing controversies around cow protection and promote greater communal harmony in the country. If demand exists, why no government decision? India already recognizes Bengal tiger as national animal. Political and constitutional questions remain. A significant question emerges. Why has not the government acted despite numerous appeals from some Muslim leaders? India already recognizes the Bengal tiger as its national animal, but there has been no public indication from the centre about any plans to change or expand that status. Experts suggest that such a move would require political agreement, administrative review, and a larger national conversation due to India's diverse social and cultural makeup. Supporters say symbolic step could build trust. Debate extends beyond religion and politics. Centre yet to indicate any change in policy. Those in favour of the proposal argue that the issue extends beyond religion. They claim the demand aims to promote mutual respect and lessen tensions related to cow disputes in various regions. However, the centre has kept its current stance and no official process has begun to grant the cow national animal status. Consequently, this demand remains part of a broader national debate rather than an actual policy proposal. This discussion raises a bigger question. If communities are calling for a symbolic step toward harmony, what factors keep a decision from being made at the national level? Until these questions are addressed, the debate will likely stay at the forefront of public and political conversation. News Desk report, such the reality.
উত্তর পূবৰ আগশাৰী শিক্ষা প্ৰতিষ্ঠান প্ৰতীক্ষা গ্ৰুপ অফ ইনষ্টিটিউচনছ 2026 বৰ্ষৰ বাবে আৰম্ভ হ'ল নামভৰ্তি প্ৰক্ৰিয়া বি ফাৰ্ম ডি ফাৰ্ম বিএছচি নাৰ্ছিং বিএমআৰআইটি বিএমএলটি জিএনএম বিপিটি পাঠ্যক্ৰমৰ বাবে মুকলি নামভৰ্তি 17 এপ্ৰিলৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হৈছে বিনামূলীয়া CWE কোচিং আজিয়ে যোগাযোগ কৰক এই নম্বৰত 97063 21768 9181022366 আৰু 9181022377
বিয়া জন্মদিন বা আপোনাৰ যিকোনো বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে ওয়ান ষ্টপ সলিউশন এম্বিয়েন্স বেংকুৱেটছ আপোনাৰ প্ৰতিটো অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে এটাই শ্ৰেষ্ঠ স্থান গুৱাহাটীজ ফাইনেষ্ট এণ্ড লাক্সাৰিয়াছ বেংকুৱেট হল এম্বিয়েন্স বেংকুৱেটছ পাৰফেক্ট ফৰ এভৰি সেলিব্ৰেশ্যন ফৰ বুকিং contact 7099013417 or visit 5th floor above Reliance Centro RG Burwa Road Guwahati